Respected sir and ma'am, good morning to one and all. This is L. Vasant Kumar. I am pursuing 10th standard at Cloxy Tutorial. Today I want to present an interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now I am saying complete seminar about refraction of light at plane surfaces. Before I am saying the seminar, I want to share an important few lines in today my seminar. So please imagine yourself how my seminar will be there. Today, my seminar will continue with 1 mark, 2 mark, 4 mark, 8 marks important questions. Maybe these questions will come in public exams also. So my humble advice is please watch my video from starting point to ending point without fail. Let's start the seminar. Okay. Refraction at plane surfaces. Here first we will discuss about what is refraction. Do you know friends what is refraction? Refraction is nothing but the light ray is traveling is one medium to another medium. Here rarer medium is nothing but air medium and denser medium is nothing but any object medium. The speed of light at air is 3.0 into 10 power 8 meter per second and glass slab speed is 2.0 into 10 power 8 meter per second. I will show the picture of light ray is traveling rarer to denser medium and denser to rarer medium. This is the glass slab and here the light ray is traveling nothing but this is incident ray. Here light ray is somewhat bent against to the normal ray. This is reflected ray. Here the light ray is bouncing in the presence of TIR. This is normal ray. This is air medium. This is denser medium. Nothing but any object is known as denser and any air medium is known as rarer. And this is the light ray is traveling denser to rarer. Here rarer to denser, here denser to rarer. This is incident ray. This is reflected ray. Here also somewhat bended to the against to the normal ray. Types of refraction. In the types of refraction, there are two types: absolute refractive index, relative refractive index. First, we will discuss about absolute refractive index. In the absolute refractive index is nothing but the ratio of two velocity bodies is known as absolute refractive index. The formula of absolute refractive index is n is equals to c by v. And second one is relative refractive index. The relative refractive index is nothing but the ratio of body density is known as relative refractive index. The formula of relative refractive index is nothing but n21 is equals to n2 by n1 is equals to v1 by v2. It is for this question may be asked in public exam for 2 marks. The same question asked in public exam previously 2 times. So please listen carefully. We will move to next topic. Yes. The light ray is traveling here rarer medium to denser medium. So the speed of light is very more. When the light ray is involved in the denser medium, the light ray traveling the speed will be decreased. When the speed will be increased, the light ray is traveling denser to rarer. So here we will conclude that the speed of light contained in air 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. And next topic is laws of refraction. Here two types of laws is there. First law is incident ray, emergent ray and reflected ray are lies at the same place is known as first law of refraction. And second law is nothing but Snell's law. Snell's law is a important formula is there. Sin I by sin R. Here the condition is there. Sin I by sin I is equals to Snell's law. Here the laws of refraction. This question may be asking in public exam for 2 marks. The same question asking in public exam previously 2 times. We will move to next topic. Lab activity. I will show the picture of lab activity in this lesson. Here observe. This is the protractor like model. This is nothing but glass model. This is glass slab. The aim is nothing but relation between angle of incidence and angle of refraction. Here observe, when the light rays passing through the rarer medium to denser medium, here first attached to the denser. Then light rays travel to the against to the normal ray. Here observe, light rays traveling straight, but here bended. Apparatus are glass model, protractor, scale, pencil, paper sheet, and the any white light or any glass slab structure and the any laser light. So here we will conclude that when the angle of reflection is normal to the ray, when the incident ray will attach to the denser medium, the reflector ray will bend to the towards the normal. The normal ray is nothing but in any condensation will be present in the presence of incident ray and the reflected ray between the relation is known as the relation between incident ray and the reflected ray is known as normal ray. We will move to next topic. Yes. In this lesson, a lab activity is there, no? The protractor light incidence. This is for 4 marks in public exam. The same question asked in public exam for previously 4 times. So this is very important questions. We will move to next topic. In this lesson, very important principle is there. Fermat principle. The Fermat principle is nothing but the light is there, no? The light ray is choosing which is object is taking less time to attract is known as Fermat principle. And next is critical angle. Critical angle, the diamond is 2.42. The 2.42 is the object distance in the diamond. So with the help of critical angle, the diamond is reflecting more. Nothing but the critical angle is nothing but the process of light reflecting into the various directions. I will show a picture of TIR. Here observe, when the light ray passed in any object, first reflect to the one medium, next another medium, next another medium, another medium. So here the light rays reflect to the different medium. Here this is known as critical angle and it is equal to TIR also. What is TIR? TIR is nothing but total internal reflection. The total internal reflection is nothing but the bouncing of light in various direction of medium and it is equals to the critical angle. The critical angle, the maximum critical angle is 90 degrees. The 90 degrees present in any object, the curved like structure, and TIR is nothing but the bouncing of light in various direction is known as total internal reflection. In the total internal reflection, the application of TIR is there. The question may be asked in public exam. What is application of TIR? What is TIR? How the TIR will occur? This is for 4-mark question in public exam. The same question asked in public exam is previously 4 times. I will discuss the applications. When the temperature will increase, the density will decrease. When the density will increase, the height will decrease. When the density and optical will be increased, the height will decrease. When the refractive index is increased, the height will decrease. When the velocity of light will decrease, the height will increase. So here the height will combination with temperature, density, optical density, relative refractive index and velocity of light. These 5 are the important for total internal reflection. The 5 objects: temperature, optical density, refractive index and last velocity of light. These are the 5 very important for the total internal reflection. And next topic is how the relative refractive index, the formula will be occur. The N21, N is nothing but relative refractive index. Here N21 is equal to N2 by N1. N is nothing but refractive index and V means velocity. Here V1 by V2. It is the formula of relative refractive index. In this lesson, very important formula is there. Lensmaker formula. Lensmaker formula is 1 by F is equals to N minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. And next one is lens formula. 1 by F is equals to 1 by V minus 1 by U. These two formulas is very important for problem solving. and I will show the picture of that total internal reflection in current wires also. Here observe no starting for critical angle. In diamonds also total internal reflection process will occur. Here observe, here one glass slab, the light rays traveling to the denser medium to rarer medium. Here light rays reflected are I1 nothing but incident ray, I2 nothing but is here when the light rays passing to the denser to rarer, outside the light is known as reflected ray. Do you know friends mirage? Mirage formation. Mirage is nothing but a optical illusion. When you are moving on the road, it is a hot summer day. You are illusioning the water vapors are present in a road on the road. You are illusioning no on the road. How the water is present in the road? It is an optical illusion. When the height will increase, the temperature will be decreased. No, when the height will decrease, the temperature will increase. The roads are will be less height. No, but when we are moving on the road, the optical illusion process will occur. The water formation on the road. This is the optical illusion for our eye. This is known as mirage formation. Before I am leaving the seminar, I want to again say the important questions in the refraction at plane surfaces. First, what is refraction? How many laws of refraction is there? What are the laws? And how the refraction process will occur? What is the main formula of lens formula? What is the formula of lens maker formula? Explain the lab activity of obtaining the relation between angle of incidence and angle of refraction. What is Fermat's principle? How the critical angle process will occur in diamond? What is critical angle? And what is TIR? Total internal reflection. What is TIR? How the TIR will occur in optical illusions? What is mirage formation? In this lesson, very important 4 marks is mirage formation and lab activity, and explain the refraction surfaces also. I hope you are understood my seminar. Thanks for spending your valuable time for listening my words. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.